What's up, YouTube? It's Matthew here once again with another video. And in about 30 minutes or so, I have to leave to go show a property to some potential cash buyers. What should I do? Before we go on, be sure to like this video, subscribe, turn on post notification bell, and comment down below. Now, my appointment is about 30 minutes. I put a property under contract and I put it up on Facebook Marketplace, and I have some potential cash buyers, people who want to flip properties or actually live them themselves. And so, I'm just posting this video for you all, just to show how real this is. I'm not a guru like I explained in my other videos, and I'm learning, and you all are coming along with me in this journey. I'm hoping to bring value to you all, but at the same time, I understand I am still learning at this time. But so I have an appointment soon. And if you all watched my last video, I kind of messed up on that deal. And so this deal, I'm more cautious, I'm more prepared. And so with this property, I'm asking the seller actually to leave the property for about an hour and 15 minutes while I show buyers the property. Because I just don't want any interference. I don't want them to start questioning, oh, okay, so are you gonna buy my house? Or if not, my first deal, the seller was always there, so it was totally fine. But I just want to see how would this work. I'm always experimenting with this. Sometimes I am like, hey, I intend to just give this to a cash buyer. I don't intend on buying it myself. Sometimes I do come to approach like I'm an investor. I may flip this property or flip the contract. And so basically I called the seller and said, hey, I will give you a gift card to a restaurant for dinner tonight, because the appointment is around 6:15 today, 6 o'clock, 6:15. Hey, I'll give you a gift card to dinner. You can take, you can go out. I give her, I'm going to give her like a $20, $25 gift card for a restaurant, so she can go out to eat. And for me to have the house for about an hour from 6 to like 7:15. I have potential buyers coming in, and and so she actually agreed to it. She was like, okay, yeah, that's fine. And I just explained to her, I was like, hey, there's gonna be a lot of people, I have a lot of my partners coming in, investors, contractors, and just to respect your privacy and your space, do you mind, just stepping out while I, show the property? Is that something you would consider? I always bringing it to question, because I don't want to force it. If she said no, okay, fine, whatever. But then I added an incentive. I was like, hey, I'll pay for your dinner for tonight, whatnot. And so, that's how it's going to happen. So I'm going to go tonight, and I'll post a video probably on Friday or tomorrow if it's a really good, time, and I actually get a deal from it. But, and I'll let you all know the specifics. This property is probably like 50 minutes out from my house. But hey, I'm a beginner. I'm just going out there. Got this property actually for like $10,000. It's crazy. The ARV is around 75, I would say. And I just intend to go to it, look around, and show a buyer, and sign the contract and close early next week. If I get to close this house, it will be a good video for you all, because there were some title issues with it, and we got that resolved, and so that would bring really good value to you all. I'm about to go. I'm actually going to leave right now, kind of drive around the neighborhood, see if I see any like construction being done, and I'll come back with you to you all. All right. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below.